Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I need to start my development environment. I use Visual Studio Code, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. My command for starting the environment, which then takes a few seconds. Should be started and it runs in the browser. No, localhost is what I want. The guy in the middle. First I choose a class, I choose Tamer, which I currently work on. It gives me 3 pets. The sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. My HP reaches 0, I die, and the round is over. I can left click my pets to feed them. If I feed them too much, they get fat and unhappy. Now the goal is to fight my way as far away from the middle as possible. Each direction is fine. Enemies become stronger the further away from the middle I am. And my pets also get stronger the more they kill. And now I play it out and see how far I get. Here comes the first boss. Okay. Now I get upgrades for my pets. I take less on the shorter leash, I don't think so. Dash. Integrates less is fine. Loves food. No, I think it's bad. Dash. Small love. Okay. Yes. Happy one for this is good. So this is spawning soon. It's unhappy. I didn't see. I think he needs more love. I should be good, I think. Defend me, yes. Next upgrades. Gets fed easily is bad. Paint duplicate, happy one is good. Dash. Totally no. Terrain bounce is useless. Takes a shorter leash. Is range or slow? I want the slow. Be happy. So I take. Okay. Okay, here's a slow. Let me think. I think I have to boost the damage up from him. My dasher is on a short leash. Okay. Might be enough. No, slow him, slow him. Let me run away. Oh no. Okay, they had enough damage. Cannot pull them away. Paint never gets fed. This is perfect. Dash, Fireline never gets fed. Not the best. Wants to stay slim. Very fine. West range. Small off is fine. No. I can feed him a lot because it getting fed. I have to feed him more, and the dasher can also be fed more. Gets oh, I didn't want to feed him. Him. I think I have to let my painter as my dasher here, and I think I cannot survive this currently. I have to fatten him up because I can't even pull him away, even if he's half fed. I shouldn't pull. I survived. Okay, what? I don't know what the painter has. Duplicate I have one time, so I'm missing the display what I have. Text split. Dash terrain. It's fat, is bad. Longer leash for dash. Dash was on. Take. Slow. Normal range. I take another slow. And no. Okay, next one ink. I think I try vitamin up again. Let's wait. Again the okay, I didn't dodge. 7k. Okay, this was one round. Now let's decide what I work on today. I have Dash's Fireline. bones. That's it. So I'm missing one dash upgrade still. And then I can think about balancing this class, I think. Okay. I have the problem that the terrain bounce upgrade is far too weak. I would do the stun push upgrade for now. Or I can change the bounce upgrade to, let's say, a bouncy upgrade, which makes the push thing part of it, which would be interesting against bosses. It would be the third upgrade for my dasher. Maybe the stun is a good idea because I'm having trouble running away. And and stun is an effect I have probably to put on a character. Like melee shouldn't work stunned, but most stuff works. Okay. Let's think about stun first. The push part would become part of the terrain bounce. The first. Let's do it this way. Stun. Or it's more rude if he still can attack. On hit. Let's call it root for now. I have to think how I implement it. Ability, pet, dash, upgrade, root. Root on it. Or immobilize. It's root. Let's call it this. Bounce to root. till the big and the two. Okay. Enemies hit by dash are turned in place. Done. Do I still have a bounce somewhere? Vector bounce doesn't exist. Duration. That's it. And duration. Make 500 milliseconds. Okay. I could apply 99% slow. Not be quite a route, but be easy to implement. I think what would be a different approach? Cannot use the slow to speed to 0. A different approach would be I need to considering it would be possible to have multiple root effects in the future. And multiple slow effects. I'm unsure. Debuff has a tick. This could mean that each debuff needs to tick each time to root. Keep the root effect up. Maybe. Multiples I cannot remove. Couldn't remove. Apply. Or I only allow one root effect. They override each other. This would be the easiest thing, I think. Debuff slow, so I need a new debuff. Slow. Root. I have slow root. And I have this way. Placed all. Debuff has a duration by default. Yes. Debuff doesn't need anything. Vector doesn't exist. If I create the debuff, it has a remove time. Vector does not exist. Apply wish. If remove time. Possibly undefined. Wired. Move time is bigger. I replace. Not, I don't need to do anything. Now. Need character to be character model. Is a type. Call it is rooted in the Boolean. For now, would also become an own subcategory someday. Moving is rooted, is dead, is rooted. Let's make it mandatory for now. It starts as false. I apply it. My target character is rooted to, and if it's removed, it's to false. Instead of removing and applying, I could also extend the duration, the existing one. Don't need this. If I know I need moving, everyone moves on his own. I think then I find character tick default character. Tick default character definition. Could now say beware if character is rooted, turn. And all move ticks need to do this, which is not perfect. Not good enough for now. How can I boss enemy needs it? Get boss spawn position. No. Yeah, I move character tick. Oh, this goes over here. Was I? Okay, this looks good. The other enemies. Let's use this same. My player characters. Don't think I have the move in here. Leveling character. Also uses the move character tick. Ability leveling character. Also uses it. Tamer. Probably. Also once over. It's the default. Pet. Okay, this could already work. Now I need like it apply pet dash upgrade apply ability pet dash character game ability pet debuffs alone 80. Good. What does he need? Something else? Duration and game time. Good has a duration and the time. Not okay. Now I need to apply on hit detect character hit. Character take damage. Ability function. One hit. So I now need for pet breath, of pet dash, an on-hit function. No. And I need an example. Or the one. It's everything. It feels off. Again. One hit. What did I find? I took dash does damage somewhere. And has this function and it gives one hit. Just the ability object. This is not much. Would give in the character which was hit. I think I need more information. Let's put more in it. So I need the character hit. Yeah, ability object. Has it defined here? Okay. Confuses me. Put it in. I have to check the on-hit function. I put in the game. If I have the character hit, I can apply if I see that ability behind it has very inefficient, but it works. And keep it inefficient. So I need target, character, and game. Now should complain. Because I have to put in C end game. Now he is happy. Confuses me. But seems to be fine if functions have missing values. What did I hit? No. I have to find ability by ID, ability object ref ID, const ability. This is my dash. Once more, game. This has to exist. If dash and dash point upgrades. Or should the upgrade decide? He already looks okay. And let's just do it. Dash is ability. I have the target character and the game. Okay. And wouldn't be undefined. Now it's an ability and he wants dash. Okay. Let's hope it works out. Should at least. But no, it's still not. The ability object. It's not an object. It's the ability directly. So it doesn't work. Ability object type, not name. I could instead maybe put function in it. Only 3 use it, okay. Put everything in. Take the ability object circle to character it. Use my dash. And it doesn't use it. It's triangle. So it doesn't use it. So I only have this call. So let's change up. I think only use the ability object for the object. Could put in the function. Don't know how I would handle wood types. It's two input parameters. Ability function. But oh, okay, I decided I do it this way. Ability can be undefined. So if ability object I do this, else if ability I do this, basically ability has a name and put in and this is on object hit probably. Can hit more. Do I remove it for now? Don't need it. Or use it. So let's rename this. On object it can object hit more. And I do on hit similar to this. Only it's an ability. It's like this. It should complain. On hit. Where's my on hit? Yeah. T. Which means I already have the ability. I hope it's a dash. Don't need to check this. Now in do detection. I have the ability. Is it after game? It's undefined. This function is bad, but I need to edit. And no, it could work. Have to play a while until I see it, I think. Or I again. Let's suppose spawn and get additional skill points, boss skill points. No. I stayed. See if I can trust it. First dash, it's less. Dash fireline, dash root, happy one. Another root and another root. He's happy one, eats less, never gets fed, so I can Tamer it. Now, root. Okay, crashes. Just missing. Apply debuff. Oh, I didn't add the debuff. Okay. Debuff wood. It was my message. Okay, fine. Next try. I take dash, I take easily. Okay. Feed him once because he's unhappy. Okay, okay. Okay, it works. Nice. He's still dashing. He's happy. Okay. But the route is working. Oh. Constitution per level. I call it like this. And no, divide by honest sphere per level. Okay. Hmm. I mean, if I have the upgrade already, this means I can calculate it. I also want to display the level. If I get the options, I make the long text, the ability, go here, display text is upgrade name. But wait a minute. Ability upgrades, upgrade name. Any for him. Ability upgrade. Okay, and I need no. Upgrade. And I something like this. Planes. Like this. Okay. Let's see if it works. I take dash. I take boot. Now I have one here. Now I have two here. Change this up. Don't know if easier. Like this. And I have to add one This is the next level. Get painter, split, split again. Let's see. Okay. I think and I wanted to display what I have in here. It's always the last one which has it. Mm, Let's think game paint. And upgrade options UI is probably not player stats UI. This could be it. Game rules, character stats UI. Tamer pads. Sounds good. Abilities. Traits. So in here, if I push an ability name, I could check abilities. How do I check? Let's upgrade keys. This has to be bigger 0. That's correct. I have some. I do key let key off keys text lines push uh, let ability functions. I don't have them here. Abilities functions and ability point name. Then I let upgrade functions is ability function upgrade functions. One. Options I continue. And if the upgrade functions exists, and does he think is in here? Ability upgrade functions. Any? No, I missed this. And you, no. Stupid. I put in the key and then that's display text. Does he want ability? And I think this is already it. But let's do it like this. And let's see. I give him dash. I give the dash the root. Dash root on hit, level 1. Level 2. Dash root on hit, dash 5. Okay. Did I do it with the sniper? Terrain bounce. Oh, after image 2-1. What is this? Terrain. I have 2 places which adds this information, it seems. So get the default. It's a level text. Okay. We move this. Means I can remove this. Try again. Highlight 2. Okay. Think decent. Oh, okay, for the speed boost I have the same. I miss it. Do they do it by themselves? Okay. Takes this gun. Think the builder never had. Pairing. Okay, still independent. Rifle damage. Additional charge speed. Looking good. Okay, fair enough. Think should work. The test lines. Load. This one, my test ones. Still works perfectly. Now I can commit. This could be Tamer pad dash upgrade. Tamer pad ability dash upgrade. Stun or root better. And now need to play and balance it a bit. think I want to change the level. It currently it's all 10 levels. I get the next damage up, which is hard for the early game and strong for the late game. And I think they are too small, or they have to change their default size. Okay, now let's see. Boaz, very hungry. Is to be fed a lot, so not too bad. Interlonger leash is always good. Dash. AP1 is always good. Never gets fed is bad. No, it's good because he currently scales with it, I think. Yes, I can. See? This makes him pretty strong. Does not get the bonus damage for it, but he now steals all kills basically. "31 way. Fed him too much. Oh, yep. This might be too powerful. T2 always. Okay, defend me, look. Yes, okay. I hope they can target bosses. And duplicate needs more love. Okay. Dash Fireline wants to stay slim. Let's take it. Where's range and longer leash? Where's slow? Increases range. This is. I think I want to change this text. Let's write down notes. Or change it directly. Where's range plus? Raises range, but requires more food. This is also not perfectly described. Close enemy per level. So 100% slow. This is okay, but maybe some people understand that it's multiplicative. Be fine. Makes any float and death. To be understandable, let's take longer leash for yes. Let's try it. Maybe slow would have been the better option. Yes, he has a higher food requirement now. Right. Was my dasher? Dash, happy one. Okay, wants to stay slim. Speed. Protect. Okay, it's not slow. Why? Kills me faster. The Boaz has a range, but it doesn't scale in the damage too much. So the Boaz has to become slow. The Dasher. I have to think. Let's. So the damage scaling of only the painter is strong. But he is hard to aim. Well, with factory, but I cannot control what he paints. The Dasher stuns. But I should get further. Let's try one more time. And let's wait. I think one task will. Does Tamer. Oh, do I have visualize? I already forgot what this is. Tamer task idea. Let's clear stuff out. I abilities I have that I lazy. I have thing for it. Okay. Clear this up. Only keep 5. Okay, I want to keep this task file short. Balancing ideas. Trade that. This is out. Long nation. This is an existing box. Don't know. Look over code for this is a general task. I don't need to be in here. I have done this upgrade. If this bug I have to look into. Circle on death. This for now don't do. Move this. I think abilities I don't have, but not the biggest problem. change ideas. Terrain bones is too weak, yes, definitely. So what was the thing I wanted the most? Visualize it. Also increase pet default size. Keep max size. Okay, let's continue this one. Yeah, indeed. Protect me. Okay, yes, level skating. No, this is not container click. What was it? Cancel. Ability level skating. Ability level faster. The slower late. Okay, stood. Now upgrades dash longer leash. No, I get my abilities first. Painter never gets fed. It's one good one. It eats less. Dash very hungry is fine. It's happy one. Tuber is happy one. Make him a bit bigger and him too. Him. Okay, perfect. In duplicate happy one is perfect. Duplicate is also okay. But longer leash, no, I take duplicate, dash. It's fed easily. Fireline is, I think the root is the strongest. It's bosses, which is my biggest problem. And slow and never gets fed. Oh, this is again my No, I fed him too much. Down here. Down here. Oh, now he pulls me around. Oh, he gets fed easily, I remember. But he also loses faster, I think. Gets fed easily, should... Let's pause for a minute. Again. At Tamer. Oh, this abilities, I want traits. Easily. Go to definition, find all references. I didn't find it. It should exist somewhere else. Did I use this one? Probably. This is bad. Exit. And this makes my size factor big. I want to change it. Food take pet game. Somewhere I should feed the pet. Okay. If fruit straight get fed easily and value 0, then feed value is multiplied by 2. I think this is easy. And where I'm to this, get here. This I can remove, I think. Okay, whoever gets fed, I should also change this if here. What is it called? Tamer. Fed trait. Never gets fed. Okay. Hungry. Tamer. Trait. Very hungry. It's less. It's less perfect. P1, P1. Okay, I also feel like I should change. How this works. Want to change it to size again. Change it to value. Think I change it to width again. Width is smaller, like this. I place this one further. Okay, there comes him a bit. Oh, I get so fat so fast. Protect me. Okay, the stun helped a lot. Paint split. Have paint duplicate yet? Golly. Paint has P1 and never gets fat. Okay. Loves food. Of factory. Takes a split. Dash. I could take second root. Needs more love. He has very hungry and get fat easily. Let's give him more love. It's done forever. If he's on and Boaz slows. Boaz explode is still too weak. Slow is, let's go for range, gets fat easily. No, never gets fat, is currently too strong. Take a second slow, I would say. One explode, let's try explode. Uh-oh. Don't know. This is a bit too much. Painter, too much, too much, never gets fat. Okay. So I shouldn't need to feed blue for a long time. Dash. Very hungry. Needs more love. But he's level 40. Interesting. And isn't he in happy one? It's okay, I never need to throw hearts. Okay. Okay. Okay, now stunning on place. Okay, let's think. Paint split. I have split. I want factory. Wants to stay slim. Is fine. Now dash. Let's do fireline. Happy one is good. Its range needs more love. Is it 12 if you want? The range is the best. No, but happiness I can care for. Okay. There's my dasher here. Okay. Happiness too much. Not good. I can. Too happy. Is unhappy blue? He's hungry. Okay. I have to feed. My God. I died. What happened? But it's a 10,000. Completely lose my overview. Explode on death. Doesn't feel like it helps that much. I survived to 5 minutes. Not bad. It could be 116 level. The abilities only level. Could display the ability level behind it. This is not visible yet. This doesn't say much. Currently, I'm not getting far enough. Let's reload and try the latest changes, although it's makes me weaker. Maybe could also take away the work in progress text. It is now a playable, also not finally balanced. Maybe the bonus damage for feeding too much is too high. I forgot how much it is. And it's not calculated in every ability, I think. To Taurus, protect me. Okay. Dash. Slash painter lost food. It takes a longer leash. Painter never gets fed. I like. Where's happy one? Okay. Let's do. Can feed him a lot, so he won't eat for a long time. This should be fine. It's much weaker. Okay, protect me. Enough, okay, perfect. Dash and root and happy one is perfect. Paint. Painter is. It's fat. Victory. So slow, never gets fat, is bad for breath. Is it? I think the breath is important. Can feed him a lot. Let's give him a bit more. It's not quite safe. Slow him. Perfect. Okay, I survived, perfect. Now let's see. Dash root helps a lot, but fire line also helps a lot. Wants to stay slim. Fine for me. Wants to stay slim and happy one. I take happy one. Very hungry and range. Press explode. Okay, let's take range. It's even that noticeably much. Okay. Quite some attention I have to give to everything. Okay. Okay. Enough. Stun him. Okay. The stun was good. I didn't pay attention to the slow, but I was also attacked by enemies in the leash line. I think I want to increase the default leash length a bit. Tamer. Do I decide for the leash length. In this, yes, let's do 150. And what else? I wanted the default pet size to be bigger. Add one. It's over size. Size factor. This one is maybe fine. Underfed add. Size factor. The default size. Size factor is limited to 10. So if what is the default size? 15. I will increase this to, let's make 30 for now. Max overfit size to 5. I think this one's up to the same. The size factor is multiplied. This increases the weight, sadly. But I think decreasing the weight is fine. So I reduce the max weight now. Seem a bit lighter, but the weight was responsible for some stuff, I think. Okay. Only for pulling and pushing. I think the breast did take the width, not the weight. Yes. Let's see what happens. Do I have bigger pets? I can get them pretty large. I don't even know. I increase the leashes by a lot. I can barely pull still. Don't even know. They slowly walk into each other. Okay, there's no collision check in this state. So 500, I think 100 was. Let's check. 100. and feed them now for a while to see. Small they become. Just halved. Okay, this was the previous size. So the damage goes now up to times 5. Half, does it not fade enough? Enough. Let's take the breath. Take anything. Thousand? It's times 10 still, I think. No, the breath is okay, it's times 5. 200. And that's the one I don't know. Speed 2 or blue is 4. Okay. Protect me. Thanks. I think being a bit fatter makes it easier. Okay, but the painter will have more problems. If he wants to paint in positions where the others are. I'm too weak because I didn't skill. Maybe this was fine. Else. Let's play one round again. I think this unhappiness should start a bit later. It should be visible that they get, or should they be unhappy and then get slimmer. Huh. Come up here. least this should be visible that they get slimmer. Okay. Really protect me. It's okay. Hey, where is Mr. Press? Here? No. No. Here. Next boss. Let's hope my pets protect me. At least one. I want root, definitely. But try fire. Let's try wood. Traditional eats less. Fine. Victory. Take it. Slow. It's to stay slim. Fine for me. And I think I want the range to suddenly go down a bit to recognize sooner. He needs food. So let's change it up. The tuned is half. Uh, move it, but active underfed is one. If this is the case, that I reduce the range times 0.75 or something, which means now the press goes longer. Gets a sudden drop. To try later. Let's play this round. Okay. Uh, no, this one. Slow him. No, it's done. Okay, perfect. Fire line, but never gets fed is. Let's try. And duplicate and lost food, fine for me. The slow or range gets fed easily. Gets faster fed. Oh, let's just take it. It's not bad. Dash. Dash never gets fed, okay. Okay, I have... Didn't I? No, I did. Let me feed him. Thank you. This was far too much. Okay. Protect. Have two kills. Oh, I have to feed him. I think safe. Okay. Wood, no fire line. Let's get the second fire line. So I don't see what changes about it. Split. It's fed easily. Don't want this. Short Tally is also not get happy one. Duplicate. Explode and never gets fed on boots. Maybe. So the pulling becomes less of a problem. Do it's less. This is good. This suddenly disappears, so it's should go down to nothing to make it visible. Again, big, and it's gone. Yeah, this is stupid. Oh, again, fat. Check me. Okay, difficult. This was a 5-minute boss. I changed. Suddenly drop. Let's make consecutive until it's on. And now Wait a minute. This is incorrect. This is current. If current is bigger, this, I'm fine. I want to do under fed at divided by 2. Active until under at dürft. I don't know. I'm under fed at this point. This is correct. Active until. Now I'm under fed. I multiply this. I want it to go down to 0 pretty fast. So if I do active until current, let's change this up a bit. Once fed factor 0.7. And factor to change it to active until I halve it. This means this is also the total I'm expect, so it's current minus active divided by active until. Is this correct? It starts at 1 and it goes to 0. I think that's what I wanted to. One time. Already getting hungry. And check how strong I can pull them, because I got a lot weaker. She never gets fat. The painter needs more love. Wes wants to stay slim. Nothing bad, nothing too good. Enter. This never gets fed, no. It's very hungry, it's fine. This feels off, this size. Did I make it? Underfed. Is underfed? Underfed is where. Oh, yes, this is incorrect. Now I increase the size. Okay, next try. Okay, comes the first boss. Painter with loves food is good. It's easily no. Back to normal. Painter shorter leash, no. Dash happy, yes. Painter happy. Take. No, I don't want to feed him. There it disappears, yes. Feed him a bit. Okay, there. Feed him. This. Hitting the clicks when they are small is hard, but and feed him a bit more. And okay, perfect. Slow. It's less. Let's take the slow. Let's take the root. Let's take the split. Take me. The breath. Yeah. Okay. It's not that visible. I think I want to be able to push them more. Pull them more. And think. Let's feed him a bit more. And guy. Okay, I survived. Who gets fed easily is really good. Like range, dash, fireline, and factory duplicate. Okay. Active. PFP too much. C. Lost food. Okay, lost food is this is problematic. Oh, he's getting small. Oh, okay. Protect me. Let me 1-0. Pound him. Correct. P1 is good. Fireline needs more love. Okay. I need the factory. Also okay. Where's the west here? I lost him. Or other levels. The painter is the slowest, and I'm wondering that the dash is so effective. But painter has space problems. Oh god, no. Okay. Still, what could I do? Still feels that the issues are, let's do one again and reduce the pet weight maybe. So I'm easier pulling them. And let's push it in. Tamer pet, Tamer balance changes. Commit. Let's wait. Test one time. Sniper still works fine. Okay, looking good. And I can come to an end. Let's see. Visualize pet happiness is one. Increase pet defaults as I did. Ability level fast, early low. Is not yet the problem. I feel like add to fight bosses if pets add to pull, add to keep distance. Also, it's I think the biggest problem boss fights, and it's hard to fight. Add to pull to pull pets to keep distance to boss. So, currently the biggest problem, I think, and then the damage scaling, which could be heavy bones, heavy light weight bones. It help. Okay. I think this is the end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.